Youth, humble. Only to find out say I'm a big friend and over there.
Numbers, your sample still in a bad man. Would even know so would they so now I want to raise no light. One give them on a rasta around them.
Yeah man, that's how we used to have to deal with it, brother. But that's why I feel away if you know say you and the general them jump off, brother, because let me tell you something, nothing no greater than friendship, you know. And when we reach certain stage in our life, a certain age in our life, we realize say, it don't make no sense. You know what I mean? Man and man always can reason out things, brother, cause that day the shot could have fire, head could have bust up, whole heap of things could have gone. And right as over there, so I reason right now. Man, them need to wise up, brother. And may I tell you this as a youth? I know you say you try already, but nothing wrong with trying again.
And you know, say none of them nah answer my call. Me know say because them not go over the go talk to ranking, you know, and them see me and call them now, and them nah answer them phone.
Right now, numbers. How are you going, Lorna?
But then I'm about to charge you.
Oh, what?
You want I'm a special vicious.
Coming right up.
Vicious, put that shit up on my bill, yeah?
Vicious don't mess up put none pan nobody bill. Me you pay for my things.
Brother, you hear me say though?
Here what one. I make the shake. I want to sort out the building there, yeah?
So you deal with the thing now?
Deal with which stuff? Me say I come you come to buy me a shake.
Why you not answer my call?
Let's see have who for call already.
Yo. I know say you have a pretty little thing I'm going with Omega. But you could at least talk to you and explain to you what one.
Explain what? Explain is an idiot woman you have and she a try be me. What you know bad for that you know? I try be me. She lucky say I'm a good mood that day there. Now listen.
I could go around this other time.
Go around where? I'm not gonna wear. But come for buy my shit, drink it and leave. Like you're not here. You're deaf?
Alright, hear me I say.
Eh.
She can take like maybe about 5 minutes or so for look. So just give me 5 minutes at a time.
As the shit done, I'm leaving.
Alright.
Yeah.
Go on. My fault. Yo, brother. Take long to make it shake here.
Tell me something, Rasta. You want me to employ a secret company for your woman? Oh, she wants her insecure. No, sir.
Lorna, the woman is most insecure. And she look how you stay. And so the fact that me with a certain level of reasoning. Just that make sure most are still, but you not have to flare up so stark, because you don't know the link already.
Me flare up, I say she boy wanna bad up herself. I know me no look. I want me say she go too easy, like she go overboard. She OD, what for answer, because I don't feel like we're chicken, because remember we're bad lion, we're not chicken. Crazy.
Jaja.
That me say.
But you me I say to you, it's Omega. Omega have certain little issues, you know. Where it may try help her through. See, because remember we're going up by farm, you know, because of that, she Gigi.
So I understand.
Yeah, but
I wish that for my worst enemy. But she for cool and easy. Rest she for cool and easy. So what on there? Vicious, how many the blender? So every woman will look good to come around here. And so she'll be insecure and bad up her and name up herself and talk about her edgy. Pull an excuse. Behave like you're mature. Be a mature girl.
in real life, that's why I rate you on a certain level, you know, because you see a reasonability, I rate it, you know, and you just talk things as it go.
Yeah, can't pretend when I water down real, like your beard and like your ass. You will like who have them too. Yeah, you like.
See you.
Yeah.
You know, so like a new place when you come service. Them a bar. Have a bar and a greenhouse.
So good. Like they don't say straight money there right there. When they turn over, when they have that, they find the most and in the most. I like that.
Remember the last time when you were there, you had tell me, say, you have like a business proposal where you don't want to talk to me about.
Yeah. Remember that tell you say you're not wanna sell no food no more. So you know my thing, I like the beauty industry. I feel like I go sell the ear, the nails, anything to beautify the darling, cause that's my thing. Yeah.
You know, I like how you pray. Like how you pray. That can work, you know. Because just like food, the woman them use them beauty product like food star, like, you know, it's a necessity.
Yeah.
You can move another thing because me leave the farm and I start something new. Nothing wrong if you start something new.
Right, cause remember new beginnings. But so we love the new you know. And we say new you, me, new business. Yeah.
Hey Lorna, you know, so I go want you to circle up at my place. Let me show you around the place and show you where I go out with.
That sounds good enough. I like to know the ins and outs, what you're doing, what you're up to. Yeah, but I like to see how it run. Yeah, that sounds good, Papa.
So what's your style? How you want to kick off the beauty something? Yeah? You have the funds for starting?
No, this so you come in now, that's how we have a partnership, right? So you are gonna be my financer, me gonna be the part, well, be co-owner, part owner of the company. So you do the financing, me are the face of the company, me get the buy the products, do the shipping, all of them someday.
Hey.